Want to see the Google keywords bringing people to your YouTube channel? Here's how to add your YouTube channel to Google Search Console in just a few clicks. First, open Google Search Console. Once you're on the home page, click Search Property in the top left corner. Next, click Add Property. Now you'll see the Select a Property Type page. Instead of choosing Website, scroll down to the section where you can connect social platforms. Here, you'll see options like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Now click YouTube. If you're signed in with the correct Google account, you'll see your YouTube channels. Simply select the channel you want to connect. Once the setup is complete, Search Console will begin showing your YouTube search performance. Here, you can check the keywords people are searching for, see how many impressions your channel is getting from Google Search, and track which searches are driving traffic to your videos. Thumbs up, subscribe. If this helped you connect your YouTube channel successfully, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, SEO tutorials, and creator tools that can help you grow your channel. That's it. Your YouTube channel is now connected to Google Search Console, and you can start tracking your search performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.